Kate here with WTI, and I don't know if you can tell, but I am glistening because it is so hot, and I am so grateful for this Primevolve fan. This has been a lifesaver. I don't have AC at the house, and so I rely on fans, and this one is extra special. So this is not just your typical floor fan. Check this out. Yes, it folds down completely flat, so it is totally portable. How cool is this? I love how compact it becomes. This makes it ideal for traveling, for taking on the go. If you rely on white noise or you want a fan when you're at the hotel room, wherever you need to take it, this can come with you. I also love that it goes from being a floor fan to a desk fan. It can go anywhere you want. It's so adjustable. On top of all of that, it is wireless, so you do not have to plug this in. So you can take this camping even if you need a fan on the go. So you charge it up and then you're good for hours. It comes with a remote, so you can customize it from a distance away, even better. It does oscillate. You can adjust the speed settings. I also am very surprised how quiet it is. Not loud at all, so easy to just leave on in a room and you don't even notice it's there. It comes in several colors. I love this black finish. It looks so modern. And then the way it just folds down compact, and it's got the nice little leather handle. So cool. So if you need a fan that's portable, that looks awesome, that's super adjustable for whatever your needs are, I think you're gonna love this one. I'm really impressed with the quality, honestly. I think it's exactly what I needed, and that's my point of view.